Customer happiness and trust always come first at OVALE. The world's first and only company to undertake vapor analysis. OVALE. Cigarettes are loaded with large amounts of toxic and cancer-causing chemicals, such as tar, carbon monoxide, and nicotine. Now, let's look closer at OVALE liquids. Our liquids show no traces of tar, an extremely harmful Class A cancer agent. Responsible for circulation and metabolic disorders, carbon monoxide was not detected either. Test results also show a dramatic reduction in nicotine absorption levels. Formaldehyde is a common substance found naturally in vegetables and fish we eat every day. According to the World Health Organization, apples and milk contain natural formaldehyde harmless to the human body. The formaldehyde in our liquids is quite lower in comparison. OVALE liquids were also shown to have significantly less acetaldehyde compared to water. Our liquids contain no tar, carbon monoxide, or other harmful substances. The world's first and only liquid manufactured by a pharmaceutical company.